Across the world, buildings are responsible for nearly 40% of global carbon emissions, which is more than all the cars, planes, and ships combined. Every time we heat, cool, or light a building, we burn energy. Every time we build one, we release more pollution into the atmosphere and take away valuable green spaces from our environment. But what if buildings could become part of the solution? Architects and engineers are designing spaces that not only have less impact on their surroundings, but they can also restore the environment. From absorbing CO2 to producing their own clean energy, these structures represent a fundamental shift in how we think about architecture. In Milan, these two residential towers are wrapped in more than 20,000 plants, and they are showing how green designs can be seamlessly integrated into urban architecture. Designed by Italian architect and urban planner Stefano Borri, Bosco Verticale house over 800 trees, more than 4,000 shrubs, and 15,000 smaller plants which are distributed across balconies and facades. On hot summer days, the trees provide natural shade that reduces the need for air conditioning, and in winter, they insulate the buildings, which can help cut energy use and lower electricity bills by up to 30%. The towers act like a living filter that removes pollutants from the atmosphere and purifies the city's air with clean oxygen. Each tower is like a 3-acre forest that is stacked vertically, and it is creating a green refuge for hundreds of species right in the middle of the city. The towers use the recycled water from sinks and showers for automated irrigation, which reduces the whole project's water waste while keeping the plants healthy throughout all seasons. Bosco Verticale inspired a wave of vertical forest projects around the world, and cities are now realizing that architecture can restore green spaces and not just consume. In Amsterdam, the Edge is often called the smartest office in the world, and it produces more energy than it consumes. Located in the capital of Netherlands, the Edge is a net-zero energy building that integrates numerous high-tech technologies and sustainable designs to create an optimized environment for the modern workforce. The Edge is powered by over 6,500 square meters of solar panels that are installed across the building and nearby rooftops, and they don't just meet the building's electricity needs, but they also generate a surplus. Heating and cooling of the building come from a thermal energy storage system that is located beneath the surface. It stores warm water in the summer and cool water in the winter, creating a seasonal exchange that maintains a stable indoor climate with minimal energy use. The building is equipped with around 30,000 sensors, and they constantly monitor indoor conditions to reduce energy use and maintain a comfortable environment. Employees can use a dedicated mobile app to locate available workspaces, adjust lighting and temperature settings, and report maintenance issues, all of which that makes the workspace more adaptable and efficient. The Edge also uses advanced water conservation methods, including a rainwater harvesting system that collects and stores recycled water for toilet flushing and landscape irrigation. Efficient plumbing fixtures and smart monitoring tools ensure water is used only where it is needed, and the whole system is reducing overall water consumption without compromising performance. By integrating technology, design, and sustainability, the Edge shows how future workplaces can be both environmentally responsible and intelligently connected. This building near the Arctic Circle generates enough electricity to power itself, its neighbors, and even local transportation. While most buildings focus on saving energy during their daily operations, Powerhouse Brattørkaia is designed to produce more energy than it consumes over its entire lifetime. Located in the city of Trondheim in Norway, which is just south of the Arctic Circle, Powerhouse Brattørkaia is engineered to maximize energy generation, despite the country's long winters and limited sunlight. Its 3,000 square meters of solar panels are angled with precision across its roof to produce over 500,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, which is well beyond the building's energy requirements. The building is connected to a local microgrid, which means any excess solar energy can be sent to nearby offices, electric buses, and more. While heating and cooling account for a massive portion of energy use in buildings, Powerhouse Brattørkaia draws water from the nearby fjord to regulate indoor temperatures and replace traditional air conditioning. By combining technology, renewable energy, and nature-inspired solutions, these projects prove that in nowadays, sustainable architecture isn't just possible, but it's already happening. These projects prove that with enough creativity and commitment, architecture can play a key role in solving many of our environmental problems. As cities around the world continue to grow, solutions like these become increasingly essential for our future because they not only manage the sheer scale of urbanization, but they also prevent our cities from becoming overwhelmed by pollution.